Hi, this is Miss Pam from the Connors Elementary School, the Afterschool program. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to learn a little bit about ourselves and we're going to make an art project. So let me just tell you the story. I don't like to video. I don't think I do a very good job, but I try. And so I made this and this makes me feel better. So every time that I make a video, I have right beside me what we're going to do today. And this is a starburst and it has a list of all kinds of things about me. So in the middle it says I am, and then if I read it, it says I am creative, I am an artist, I am a grandmother, I'm loved, I'm a teacher, I'm helpful, I'm friendly, all those things. And I keep it right here when I'm videoing so I can see it. I also like the very pretty colors. That's what we're going to make today. So what you need to get started is you need 3 pieces of paper. One could be cardstock if you have that. Markers, crayons, or colored pencils, scissors, a ruler, glue, a black or blue pen, and a pencil. Okay, so what we're going to start with today is we're going to start with a piece of paper, and we're going to take our ruler, and we're going to measure across the top the halfway mark. And the halfway mark is 4.5 inches. So make a little mark at the top, a little mark at the bottom, and then just draw a straight line. Okay? And do the same going the other way. So the distance is 10 3/4. So let's do 5. And we can sort of eyeball it a little bit too. So we're going to do 5. And we see the mark in the middle there with our line coming down. And now we're just going to go across. Okay, and I didn't really measure that. I just turned it and I made it so it looks like this. Then we're going to take our ruler and we're going to go from one corner to one corner. So here to here. So a diagonal, and then we're going to do it this way. Diagonally across like this. Okay? So let's do that. Get your ruler out and go from all the way from one corner to the other. You don't have to measure. You just go whoop and put it down in there. And there you have your corners. And you're never going to see these lines, so you don't have to make them perfect because we're going to color them. And they're going to cover over those lines. So I'm just going to go like that and like that. Now, and if you do what I just did, because I didn't do it very well, it doesn't make any difference if it looks like this. Okay, just get your one line down that's right in the middle, because you're going to put a circle over that, so you don't really have to worry that much. Okay, now so you've got all those points. Now you're going to take and you're going to go in between, and I'm going to use a marker for this one just so you can see the line here. Okay, and again, I'm not measuring. Well, I guess my marker doesn't work that well. Let's just try it again. There. Okay. So I just made a mark, and I'm going to make another one. And what I'm doing is going to go into, and I'll show you mine again so that you can see. So what I did is I have all of these. Now I put more, I think, in there than you'd have to. But you have, this is your straight line across. And then you've got this line, and then we're making these lines right now, this line and this line. You can make more lines if you want to. I did, but you don't have to. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to color all of those triangles that you made. Okay, so go ahead and color those. While you're coloring, what I'd like you to do is think of things, and have a paper right beside you, and think of things that start with I am, like on mine. I am kind is one of mine. So while you're coloring, have a piece of paper right beside you, and you can just jot those down, okay? And then we'll do something else. So get that done first, and then we'll go on. Next step, and you can stop and start your computer anytime you want to. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler And the long way, the lengthways, or the across the top, is you're going to measure half an inch. And you're going to go all the way across to half an inch. Okay? So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, all the way across, and you're making little marks like that. So then you do it on the bottom, and then you make your lines coming down. So all of your starbursts and your sayings are going to be, okay? So make those, and then what you're going to do is you're going to cut part of them, keep some of them long, and some of them short. Now I put mine into points, but it took too long, and I like the one that I saw originally. So you're going to take those, you're going to cut half of those. So let's cut out one. Okay, so you've got one there. You've got one there, and now this one can go all the way across. Okay, it can go all the way across. So then the other one that you want to do is on the other side. Okay, so you want short ones and long ones, in other words. Doesn't have to be exact, it can be short ones and long ones, because you're actually making a starburst. So again, you're going to take your papers and you're going to write on them, I am what? And it also helps you sort of think about yourself. And when I'm done with this, I really sort of wondered how I was going to feel. But when I was done, I really liked it. And as I say, I keep it right here. So then you're going to glue on your I am sayings. And then you're going to put a circle in the middle. Okay? Glue them on, and you're done. And I hope you enjoyed it, because I really wondered at first, but now I really like it. I keep it right beside me. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.